just ain't true. Blame it on you. Now I got no blue. I got no soul. Got no soul in my blues. Another thing happened. Sitting here grinning at you, and now the sounds that used to ring so true. Suddenly they just got no blues in my soul. I got no and no soul in my blues. I got no blues in my soul. I got no soul. There been times when I felt kinda tired, times when I felt kinda low, but no one could tell me one damn thing that I didn't already know. And now thanks to you, all of my troubles are brand new. It ain't right, but it's true, and I can't shake this blues. And it's love, love, love is a rose in a rainstorm. Love is a leaf on the wind. Love walks around with a hole in his heart. The aches of his sleeve never win. bread for dinner at 8.
I like the theater, but I never come late.
I never bother with people I hate. That's why the lady's a train.
I don't like crap games with barons and earls.
Won't go to Harlem in Herman and Pearl.
Won't dish the dirt with the rest of the girls.
That's why the lady is a train. I like the free, fresh wind in my hair, life without care. I'm broke, it's old. Hey, California, it's cold and damp. That's why the lady's a train. I get too hungry for dinner at 8. I like the dinner, but never come late. I never bother with people I hate. That's why this lady is a train.
I don't like crap games with barons and earls. Won't go to Harlem in Herman and Pearls. Won't dish the dirt with the rest of the girls. That's why the lady is a tramp.
I like the free, fresh wind in my hair, life without care. I'm broke, it's oak. I hate California, it's too cold and damp. That's why the lady, that's why the lady, that's why the lady is a tramp. There's been love that feels so well. No sorrow, baby, no sigh. There's been love I get, no dizzy spell. My head's still up there in the sky. My heart does not stand still. Just hear it beat. Life's much too sweet to be in love. This is just because I feel so well. Baby, let me look in your See
gonna get love, better bet
You said a man's gotta do what a man's gotta
that's the way it has to be. And now you wanna offer me a second chance, but after what I've been through, if you come around wanting full service romance, here's what I got to say to you. Baby, you can forfeit yourself and pay cash. I don't take care of you anymore. And if you can't live without it, you should have thought about it before you walked out of my door. 'Cause I used to be your wife before you turned my life into a 5-car freeway